What does it mean to be an artist? What does it mean to be a singer? What does it take to be a writer? What does it take to be a creative? What does it mean to be famous? What does it mean to be successful? What does it take to be an author? What does it take to be an architect? What does it mean to be rich? What does it mean to be poor? What does it take to exhibit? What does it take to present? What does it mean to be a musician? What does it mean to be a dancer? What does it take to challenge the status quo? What does it take to stand up? What does it mean to be global? What does it mean to be contemporary? What does it take to play guitar? What does it take to listen? What does it mean to live life? What does it mean to play along? What does it take to be you? What does it take to be me?